Hello there. So you want to know how you can download music with Chrome on your phone? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So the method I'm going to teach you, the browser doesn't really that matters because you can do it from Brave, from Safari, from Chrome, anything you want. I'm going to be doing it from my Safari, but let me just go ahead and head into YouTube and then look for a music I want to download. For example, let's just say, okay, I like this 27 minutes of Chill Gunna. I'm going to simply click on the triple dot, click on share, and then I'm going to copy link just like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head into Safari and then search YTMP3 just like that and click on search. Once I've done that, click on the first link and then paste your link that you copied right over here. So just like that, and click on convert. Once you've done that, it's going to give you a download button and you can simply go ahead and click on download and it'll be downloaded, and you can simply go ahead and start playing it on your phone. As simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.